Okay, guys. Now, today is April 8th. Okay, we just had our job search class, and I'm going to pretend like I just found out I have an interview in 2 weeks, on April 22nd. That's the day, that will be today, that you're watching this video. Okay, so I made this 2 weeks ago. Okay, so Brainiac, yes, I look a little different now. And João, yes, I look a little different. It's okay, alright? Now, the thing is, I want to show you what you can do in 2 weeks to prepare for your interview. Okay, first up, what do I need to do? Okay, the interview I'm having is with Banco do Brasil. Okay, I'm doing this because I have to write an article for my PhD by the end of next week, so I can use that as a way of preparing. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at what's important for the banks there, finish my article, come up with different questions that I would have in an interview there. Okay, now those are ways of preparing myself professionally. Okay, but also I have to make sure I look right. So I need to try on my suit beforehand. Does everything look okay? Now my suit looks pretty good. Okay, I probably should get it professionally cleaned first though, because it looks a little worn. But when I tried on the shirt underneath, I noticed it has some rings here, and there's a spot on my tie. So maybe either clean it, or maybe it's time to get a new shirt. Okay, these are things you have to think about. And I'll give you the prices, because I'll find out how much this stuff is. Okay, some other things to do. Now you may say, Mark, you have so much free time. I have just as much free time as you. So I'm going to add some more stuff to it, not just prepare for my interview. I still have to prepare my classes for the next 2 weeks. Okay? I'm going to, one thing, I'm going to try to learn a new song on guitar, so when I make a new video to see what I did these 2 weeks, I'll try to play that for you at the end. So that'll be at the end of class today. Alright? What else? I'm going to try to lose a little weight, maybe 2 to 4 kilos in 2 weeks. It's a lot, but hey, that's in order to make me look better for the interview. Okay, so you look a little bit thinner. I'm not saying anyone's fat, okay? Okay, guys? I'm not saying anyone's fat. I'm just saying it's good to be looking healthier, these kind of things. It could help you. And one thing is, as you know, my Portuguese isn't so good, so I'm going to spend the next 2 weeks practicing more Portuguese. So then I can, next week, give a class in Portuguese for you. So these are things I'm going to be doing. 1, finish the article. 2, get my outfit clean, that kind of stuff. 3, studying the Brazil banking stuff for my interview. 4, lose 2 to 4 kilos so I look better. 5, learn a new song on guitar so I can entertain you guys as you leave class today. 6, prepare the answers and questions. Remember, for your interview, it's good to have answers already ready for Banco do Brasil. Prepare my normal classes so you guys are entertained today. And number 8, here's the tiny one, work on my Portuguese. So that's what I'm going to do in 2 weeks. Let's see what I can do. Okay, and if I can do it, and I'm old and stupid, what can you guys that study at the greatest economics faculty in Portugal, what can you do? So that's all. So Luis,